Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. Hope everybody had a good Thanksgiving. Today we are back up in beautiful Forsyth, Georgia. This was a job that one of our former customers posted a project at the end of last year where we did a low slope roof and deck on the back. Guys will be here in just a second. We're going to be replacing this tired 3-tab roof. It's been ready to go for a while. CertainTeed Landmarks, CertainTeed Roof Runner Synthetic, new drip edge, CertainTeed Swift Start, Shadow Ridge, Moray Blacks. It's about a 35 square roof. We should easily be able to take this down today. We're also going to be grading this area out, doing some concrete work for his shop. So you guys remember this project back here. So keep you posted with progress. Get this job wrapped up today. Hope everybody stays safe. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.